Hi guys! Hope you are well and enjoying the Supercars exciting videos on my channel HMK.Supercars. In the last video I told you, in next episode we would explore about the unique and precious supercar Bugatti Veyron Mansory edition. But before going forward, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and press the bell button too, so that you can get the new videos notification in time. Guys, Mansory Vivere, a strictly limited edition Bugatti Veyron masterpiece. Introducing a masterpiece with an iconic V shape that gives this supersport its name, Vivere. This car is worthy of delivering not only a truly fast driving experience, but also the impression of refined luxury. We have achieved both. The Bugatti Veyron is one of the most seminal supercars of the 21st century. At the time, it was the most powerful production car in the world when it launched in 2005, and, despite being surpassed by the 1,500 horsepower Chiron, is still sought after by car collectors. Only 270 examples of the original 16.4 Veyron variant were produced, but for those who wanted to make it more exclusive, German car customization Mansory applied its tuning talents to a handful of Veyrons. One of its best-known creations was the Veyron Linea Vivere. Only two exist in the world, one of which is listed for sale on James Edition. Aside from its quad-turbocharged 8.0-liter W16 engine and unique customization job, what makes this Veyron even more special is that it happens to be the third model that rolled off the production line in 2007. You would think that would already make it extremely collectible and valuable, but the owner decided to send the supercar to Mansory to make it even more unique. Finished in matte white, the exterior features a striking Mansory carbon fiber weave, new carbon front and rear bumpers, and a redesigned hood. Mansory also added daytime running lights, side skirts and fully forged custom wheels. The interior has also been extensively modified with custom Mansory parts, hand-stitched leather black and white upholstery that matches the exterior, aluminum pedals, and copious amounts of carbon fiber. Unsurprisingly, no price has been listed for the Veyron Linea Vivere, but it goes without saying that you'll need deep pockets to afford it, around $3 million. As we've explored the extensive visual package, Veyron, handled by a specialist, Mansory. The garage gifted this particular Veyron with a package called Linea Vivere. It translates into extensive use of bare carbon fiber that subtly alters the face of car by bringing new lines in the wings, air intakes, side skirts, or front fascia, among others. The interior is in the form of quilted black and white leather inside, spotlighted with glowing LED courtesy lights. So, for all intents and purposes, this Veyron is more unique than others. Does that justify the $3.4 million asking price? Maybe. But do keep in mind that this is a used Veyron, 13,766 miles, 22,154 kilometers, is what the odometer reads, and for a car of this caliber, that really spells used. Here you can see some technical specifications. subscribe my channel HMKsuper.cars. In the next upcoming videos we will explore more about a hypercar you would have seen in Fast and Furious 7. What is the name of that supercar? You'll come to know in my upcoming videos. Till then, have patience.